Hello friends, and welcome to another video. And today in this video we are going to learn how we can clean a Hepa filter of a robotic vacuum cleaner. So we have the dustbin of the robotic vacuum cleaner. So most of the time what we do, we throw away these Hepa filters, but actually we can clean them. So let's see how we can. So for that we'll need a little hot water, a bucket or a container. So just get some hot water. So the hot water should be little bit hot, not too much hot. Add some laundry detergent to it, mix it up properly. After that, add this detergent water to the container in which your Hepa filter is there. Let it soak for a little time and give it a wash. Keep it for some time, soak it properly, and you'll see that your Hepa filter is now getting cleaned. As you can see, a lot of dirt is coming out from this Hepa filter. Just soak it for a little bit, and after that just shake it like this. Shake it properly so that all the dirt will be removed and it will be as good as new. And once you've finished removing all the dirt, if you feel still some dirt is there, all you can do is replace the water and repeat this process again. I'll let it soak for some time so that the soap will go inside and remove all the dirt. So this is the easiest way to clean a Hepa filter. So let it soak for some time. So after you have washed it properly, still if some amount of dirt is there, you have to just repeat. Now we'll wash it. So once if you feel that still some amount of dirt is there, you can repeat the process. Now I'll wash it under hot water again, normal hot water without the detergent. And if still some amount of dirt is there, you just have to repeat the process. So it's now almost clean, up to 70 to 80% it is cleaned. Still some amount of dirt is there, so we'll repeat the process. And after we have cleaned it, we just have to keep it in sun for almost 4 to 5 hours so that it is dried properly. So once we have cleaned it, it has just become as good as new. So we can reuse it. A Hepa filter can be used almost up to 1 year successfully if you clean it properly and reuse it. So just one thing you have to do, you should not use it as a wet. You should let it sit on sun for some time. Don't use a hair dryer or any kind of dryer to dry the water, because that may damage the fabric. So better way, just let it sit under the sunlight for some time so it will eventually dry up. Don't use it as wet because it can damage your vacuum cleaner or your air purifier, anything. So thanks for watching friends. If you like this video, if you learned something, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Good day.